How many times a day do you get called an idiot? Well, if you're me right now, it's a lot. And it's because of this video. Check it out. You see, in this video where I was deadheading petunias, I was talking about how you should remove these spent blooms so that way they will not get botrytis or other fungal issues going on the plants. And this went viral on Facebook, and that's when all the petunia Karens came out telling me that I don't know how to deadhead and that I'm an idiot. So their basis for this is they think that if you don't remove the sepal or the ovary of the plant while you are deadheading, that it's then going to put energy into producing seeds and stop blooming. And since all I was doing was removing the spent blooms and not the sepals or the ovaries, they said that those plants are going to stop blooming. But with the newer genetics of petunias, that's just simply not true. These petunias will continue to bloom throughout the season as long as growing conditions are favorable, regardless of whether you deadhead them or if you remove those ovaries. Here you can see a plant that all the way down inside has not ever been deadheaded because there are spent blooms way down deep in here, but all of the new growth that has come out has continued to bloom even though all of those have not been removed. This is just how most greenhouse growers are going to deadhead. If at all, they're just going to go through and remove spent blooms because it's a lot faster than trying to go in and snip individual little ovaries off. Also, just a reminder, if you're a casual gardener, you probably don't know as much as a greenhouse grower.